Hello everybody, this is CJ Wilson, Firkins Chrysler Jeep Dodge Ram in beautiful Bradenton, Florida, and I just took in this 2018 Jeep Cherokee Altitude. So as you can see here, it's got the nice black accents, black out around the headlights, black wheels, black badging, really nicely equipped vehicle. This is going to have Bluetooth backup camera, automatic headlights, very nice vehicle, and does have satellite radio capability. Does have seating for 5. And this was actually purchased here locally at Firkins. Really nice vehicle, very nice silver exterior, and looks really sharp with the Altitude package, giving you all the black accents. This will be a vehicle that we're going to certify, so you get a 7 year 100,000 mile warranty. So to find out more about this vehicle and others like it, you can reach me at 941-704-3169. Again, my name is CJ, or you can visit our website at www.firkinscj.com, and we'll see you soon.